All right, we are here with Bamba Experience, and this is the Hierve el Agua, Mitla, and Tule tour. Okay, we are at the Árbol de Tule, which is a huge tree. This is the biggest tree in Mexico, I think, and this tree is over 2,000 years old. It's free from the outside, but if you come in the gates, it's 10 pesos, which goes to help maintain the tree, so that's worth 50 cents. So come on in and check it out.
When this empire arrived here and conquered all these regions, they did the same that they used to, right? Every time they conquered new territories, they gave names according to what they consider the most common characteristic of these new sites, new territories. And they found Huajes as one of the most common. That is a church. It was built at the end of 16th century, but that specific spot was used as one of the main Catholic symbols in this region. At the end of 16th century and 17th, we have a massive conversion to Christianity. All these indigenous families died anyway, they disappeared. But there were survivors. From time to time, there were survivors in different towns. So they were educated in Catholicism, they were raised Catholics. And they taught all this knowledge to their people.
All right, so we are here at Bamba Experiences at Hierve el Agua. Okay, so we're going to see a petrified waterfall and bubbling water, which is cold. It's not like a hot spring. So let's go check it out. Yeah, we're just going to take some pictures and check out the pools and then head back down.
We're born with mezcal. We celebrate that. During our lives, we celebrate birthdays, first communions, weddings, and mezcal is always with us as well. When we die, we offer mezcal to our relatives, right, that are sharing that pain with us. And after death, we are remembered with mezcal. So that's why mezcal is so important, and it's going to appear in every single moment of our lives. So this is one of the plants used for mezcal production. I'm going to leave you with the experts. Martín se llama el avión. With Martín, and Martín is going to continue with all this explanation. At the end, you will have time for trying mezcal.
Not like agaves don't have sugar, because every single one, when they are green, they don't look like have sugar. But as soon as it's done, have a lot of sugar on it. That's why Oaxacan people super drunk and crazy, right? We do stupid stuff a lot, and I can say that because I'm pretty sure my family, my parents go, you know, I'm drinking now, they go kick me out on my job. But okay, this one is the sugar, the honey of that one, and we still sell that syrup in this house. Okay, so it's this one we go turn to the mezcal the end. We can try catch up with the morning tank, right? So let's go.
There's a lot of juice in there.
There was much less in that one, and it burnt more.
Higher alcohol content?
Very clean though.
That one doesn't look so bad.
That one had almost less of a smoky taste, but very clean alcohol flavor.
I like it better than the Esperin.
All right, so we are here at our last stop, a textile shop, and we're gonna see how these rugs are made. And we've had a great day today with Bamba Experience. And yeah, we did a lot, so let's go finish up this tour and go get some dinner after.
Welcome. Here we're going to show you the beginning until the end of this process. We're going to show you how do we work this wool, how to spin it, how to carve it, right? I'm going to show our natural pigments that we are actually using to dye the yarn, to get the colors, all natural dyes, you know. At the end, we're going to go to the loom on that side to show you how do we work with the looms, okay? It's really important to let you know that the gray colors, here is where we make them, you know. We mix clear wool and dark wool. I'm going to show you how we do this process. Okay? So clear wool and dark wool. We're going to mix it, so we're going to get the gray colors. in here. Obviously, if we need a darker gray, we mix more, we add more dark gray, right? So, 10 to 15 minutes each carving process. Really slow process. Many weavers, they don't like to do this process anymore because the time, you know. We need to apply enough torsion on it in order to get a good quality yarn. See? Cut it and then put it together. Okay? See? Up and down. Okay? Up and down. The technique, we have different sizes of the tree of life.
And we'd had a great day today with Bamba Experience. And yeah, we did a lot. So that's it for our tour with Bamba Experience. We did the Hierve el Agua, Mitla, and Tule day trip tour. So that's it for our tour. Thanks a lot, Bamba Experiences. Check them out when you're here in Oaxaca.